All right, y'all. So as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be making us some lac shelves. So this is when I was in Home Depot. This is just the wood section that I got my wood from. They had so many options, y'all, but I didn't want nothing too tall. Like, I knew I wanted mine to be hung up, and I didn't want it like the long kind, like how IKEA has it. So I got these shelves, and I had the people there to cut them for me. And y'all, these shelves was so freaking, like, I probably didn't spend no more than maybe $40 on, it was 4 shelves, and they had to cut 2 of them into 4 squares. So I didn't really spend no more than, really honestly, like no more than $30 to $40. Okay, so I'm using a drill for this project, y'all. I did start off by using some wood glue at first, but that was an epic fail. These are the clips that I will be using to hang, to drill into the back of my board, because I will be hanging mines. And like I was saying, like, I started out using wood glue because I saw one girl use wood glue, and that junk did not, like, it held, but if you pull on it really hard, it will snap. At least mine did. And you know, I like to test it out, so I was gripping it hard, you know what I'm saying, like roughly, to see, is this really gonna hold? And it did not hold. So I had to go get me a drill. This drill cost me a lot of money, but I honestly feel like it's a great investment, especially if you live with a guy. Like, you need some tools in your house. So, you know, I'm glad I actually invested in getting me a drill, because I will be making so many other projects that I will be needing like a handy dandy tool for, and not no little glue, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I went and got me this drill from Home Depot as well. Super awesome. I did get one from Walmart at first, y'all. It was $15. Let me tell y'all, don't be cheap like me, okay? I took that baby back the next day because it was not powerful. I should have known that. I don't know nothing about no tools. I thought that little $15 drill was going to do something. It did not do squat. So I was like, bruh, like, let me just go get a real deal drill, okay? So I'm pretty much just drilling holes into the wood first before I actually drew the skrills. Drill the skrills. Oh my gosh, like, that's a freaking tongue twister. I'm drilling holes into the wood before I drill the screws into the wood. So that is what you guys see me doing now. This project was very like affordable, y'all, because if you are not familiar with IKEA's lac shelves, they are very pricey. Like, I think for one shelf, if I'm not mistaken, quote me if I'm wrong, I think for one shelf is maybe like $60 or probably more than that. So I did not want to spend over $100 on something I felt like I can build myself. So I definitely feel like this was so worth the investment, me getting a drill, and the wood wasn't even that much money from Home Depot. You know what I'm saying? I spent like maybe no more than $40 on the wood. And I feel like this is a great investment, especially if you live with a man that already has tools. Then definitely do it. Save you some money, because I know for me, if I was still living with my mom and daddy, my daddy would have did this, because he has all the tools that I need. So I definitely would have just had to buy the wood, and that's it. And I would have had my daddy do this for the low, you know what I'm saying? So if you live with a man, or if you have tools, put them to use and save y'all some coins. Like, if I can do this, y'all can do this too, okay? So yeah, so right here, I'm just showing you guys where the holes are. They are completed. Now we're going to go ahead and actually drill. Well, no, I'm moving too fast. I'm actually going to hold it against the board to now drill the holes in the square part. So we have to drill the holes in that part as well. You don't have to do this, but my daddy told me to do this, so I listened to my daddy, because he told me drill holes in it first, then drill the screws in it. So, you know, I'm listening to my daddy, like, I'm doing what he say. So I drilled holes in it, then I drilled the screws in it. And for me, it was easier, because when I did the screws, it was okay. It was okay, but I definitely feel like the holes give it a guide, like it knows where to go. So you don't have to drill the holes in it, but I did it anyway because I wanted to. So yeah, but using the tool was very, I wouldn't say difficult, but it was stressful. Like, I damn near had a panic attack, y'all. I called my daddy, and I'm like, bruh, how you work this? Like, help me. So yeah, just beware if you never used like an actual real deal tool before. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the screw, and I'm going to be changing out the bit. And I'm going to be, now we're going to be drilling this in. I'm going to be drilling the screws in. As you guys can see, this is what I'm doing. Man, after I got the hang of this, you can't tell me nothing. Like, I'm finna be building so much shit, okay? Like, I swear to God, because this is so fun. And now that I got the hang of this drill, I'm just super excited. Like, what else can I do? Like, I can do anything, literally. Like, I can put my, if I put my hands on anything, I can do it. If I put my mind to it, I can do it. So I'm just telling y'all, if I can do it, y'all can do it too. And I'm real cheap. Like, I don't want to spend an arm and a leg on this stuff that I know that we can build ourselves. Like, fuck out of here, okay? But yeah, once I got the hang of it, it went by super fast. It didn't take me long at all. The first board took me forever because I didn't know what I was doing. But this was the second board, and it went by super quick. It was super easy, no time at all. So super happy. This project was definitely worth my time and money. Like, I saved a lot of coins. Like I said, if you guys don't know how much the real prices are, they are very high for no freaking reason, y'all. So like I said, if you got a man in the house, your boyfriend, your daddy, and they got tools, or if you just don't feel like building it, get you one of your guy friends, your boyfriend, your daddy, somebody to build this for you and save you some money. Just go to Home Depot and get some wood. That's really all you freaking need. Just the wood. But if you gotta get everything from scratch like me, the drill, the wood, it's gonna be pricey, but it's also gonna be worth the money because I feel like I could use this drill for other stuff. Like, I needed a drill anyway. I feel like everybody needs some type of handy dandy tools in your house. So this was just a great investment overall. So yeah. And at the end, y'all will see the finished look. All right, y'all. So this is how it's looking so far. Of course, I have to finish, putting stuff on a wall. But this is so far my little vanity area. Man, honestly, y'all, I'm just so proud of how this came out. I gotta add some more little stuff on the shelves. But y'all, this beauty room, when I give y'all this full official tour, it's gonna be lit, okay? Like, I have a lot more to do. This is not it, okay? But of course I gotta get a picture to go right there. But yeah, let me back up so y'all can see. Honey, this cost me like maybe no more than $60. If y'all know IKEA, they sell these by itself for maybe like $60 or maybe like $100. I don't even know, but I know it's like over $100 for those shelves. And I definitely feel like you guys could save money and do it yourself, especially if you got a man in the house that already got tools. You know what I'm saying? If I was back at home with my daddy, I would have used his stuff. Like, I wouldn't have to buy no screwdriver, no screw drill, and all that extra stuff. But I definitely feel like it's a great investment. Like, get you a screw drill and get all that because you're gonna need it anyway. And if you somebody like me, like I like to do my own stuff, save a quick little chump change real quick, save some money and try to do things myself. And I'm just proud of how this came out. Like, if I can do this, what else can I do? Like, seriously. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? And I know me, I'm not finna spend over $150 for some shelves. Not doing it. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I'm definitely excited to, like, finish this little area up. I want to get some things to go maybe under it. I think I want to do like a DIY stand, like how I did my trash can right there. I did that. That was a DIY. So I think I want to do a DIY little stand or whatever to go under them. I'm not for sure yet. But yeah, this is it. If you guys like this video, then definitely leave some comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all my next little DIY because it's about to be a lot of them. So peace.